So let's try this old welding machine. I don't know what year this machine is, but I think it's from the 50s, probably. Um, it's 115 volts, 100 amps, and this side right here is all AC. This side is DC. So if you move this two and disconnect these two, if you use this two in this side right here, everything is AC. Now from here, it jumps to a rectifier, a DC one, and then you get DC power from these two. So right now, it's 100 amps. Right now I got the machine on 35 amps right now. So you got 35, 20, 100, 50, and 70. So let's see. I don't know the brand of this machine. It's probably, I don't know if it's a Craftsman or Dayton something. I don't know. So let's see how it works on 35 amps right now. So at 35 amps, I'm gonna use 116 welding rod. This is 6013. Yes, 6013. And this thing is a quarter thick. This one quarter. I know it's too thick. It's too thick for 116 or for 35 amps, but it's just to show you that the machine works very good. And let's see. So like I said, it's 35 amps. 35 amps. This is one quarter. Let's go to 50 amps. Between these two, I got 50 amps. And 50 amps is more than enough for 116. Oh. So here we have 50 amps. We got 50 amps, 1/4 thick. Honestly, I don't know the year, 1950s, 60s, but I know it's very old. It's a very old machine. AC/DC. Not a bad machine if you want to stay under 1/4 thick. I think I only paid $20 for this machine on Craigslist. AC/DC. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.